Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. We're here where we left off. I didn't even go to the ship, although I meant to find someone who can repair this ship. We're going back through the same place we went through already. I'm pretty sure I'm walking through the wrong way as well. But this thing opens, I'm pretty sure that's where we're meant to go. Oh yes, actually this is where we're meant to go. I don't even know where was I going at the start. Oh, that's cool. Oh wow, I'm guessing that if you fall down there, you get brought back up to the... Or is that somewhere I'm meant to go? However you want to see it. Yeah, no, definitely not. No way, nope. Not at all. No, why did I even do that? So... Okay. Do we have the thing like in the old game? Because I remember when in the old games if you held X you'd be able to use Clank's spinner thingy. Bam, bam. Our accuracy's, or my accuracy is a bit better. Why did I say our? I'm trying to be too much of a professional YouTuber right now. Oh yes, this is probably the funnest thing in this entire game. Can we go up higher? Yeah. So then let's wait. What happens when we... Oh, we got another card. We should actually check that out. Open up. My Battlefront update just got installed while I'm playing this, so great. I really don't care right now because I heard there's a new update coming to Battlefront. That was probably it. It's a big customization and a progression update. Actually, no, the customization is probably coming out next month. I heard. And there's that's a free game that I also have. Like I haven't got an update for about a week, and now all of a sudden, now that I started recording, I started saying that there's so many updates. Stop. Okay. Is he dead? Yep. That wasn't actually that difficult. Oh no, I don't like these guys though. But hey, we got a better radius on our gun now, so... Who's doing that? Oh. Is that fire? Does that actually damage me, or is that just to make things look a bit more dramatic? Oh no, it's this guy. So can I like, yeah. Okay. I got it to work now, so I hop over here. Okay. Boom. So now that we go across here, and we gotta shoot. Oh my god, my accuracy. Bam, bam, bam. There we go. Perfect. It's so satisfying the way that like all the bolts float towards you. Oh. Wasn't that guy from A Crack in Time? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this character's from A Crack in Time.
Hey, have we met before? 'Cause I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh.
Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries.
Also, this is the main bad guy.
You may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming! So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you!
Drek Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little
That was like a very, very, very sad pun.
squared away and ready to fly.
Oh, that looks cool.
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe? Well,
Before we slide down there, I want to see if there's anything else around this room, because knowing this game, there's always something. Oh no, let's just go back the way, because we walked out here and he was here. So, to the left, is there anything here? No. I'm actually surprised. Ah, come on, there must be something here then. Nope, still not. Pick some ammo then. There we go. And we'll go back down. Ooh, the amount of money that we get from here. Or bolts, actually. 200, already at 300, 400, 500. Wow.
that was awesome.
We got 1,014.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of...
And Quark is obviously commentating everything that's happening in the background, as you can hear.
Hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
What?
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine, Killjoy.
See, the thing is, this whole game is kind of presented in the mind of Quark, because Quark is now in this sort of semi-heaven place where he's being, like, it's like a spa type of thing. He's being, like, loved and, like, stuff like that. And what's happening is we're meant to, and it's like he's working with the bad guys now or something, and he's commentating over the story that happened ages ago that I'm not sure either he knows that happened or he's making it up. I'm not sure, because after what you heard there, he obviously made up some things. But let's go. Enter ship, and in the original game you could always pick where you want to fly. So Kerwin or Aridia. Oh, we're gonna go to Kerwin. Deliver the info bot to the Galactic. Okay. Let's go then. Loading, loading, loading. If a cutscene comes in, then you'll obviously guess.
Great. The invasion has started. Scan
Nope.
the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat, enemy ships are now in the central district of Alero City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area.
Okay.
We must...
So now, oh, wait, no, I don't like the inverted flying. I'm going to options, controls, no. Yeah. Is that it? Yeah.
Weapon systems.
There we go. I prefer it like that.
You may now attack the transport.
So do we just shoot down stuff or what? Oh no, we have to attack a transport.
Captain, we have an unidentified
Done.
ship providing assistance. Transport.
Inverted controls can be enabled in the options menu. I just turned them off, so no, I really don't want to.
More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch.
So this is a bit better than Star Wars Battlefront, because you actually don't overheat, so you can just hold this down like a bit of a trigger happy kid, and it's all okay. Ooh, okay, I did a bit of a stupid thing there. Anyways, there's Did that like warbot just seriously punch me?
Another transport down. Yeah, another one.
Down. And there's one left, I believe. Oh no! I can't tell past this height. It's not like you can fly upside down and stuff. Probably not to confuse some kids that are trying to play this. And I must say these controls are really, really, really not smooth whatsoever. Seriously, no. Just no. There we go. And one more. It's somewhere here. Oh no! This is seriously taking forever. If this was a proper mission, I'd fail. Can you go? Oh wow, you can press X to go fast. I only realized that now. I only like read the things on the side now. So this is where the invisible barrier is, and obviously I can't do the Star Wars Battlefront move where you can go downwards and then start going upside down and then flip around, because this is not Battlefront after all. So yeah.
Awesome. And how do we do that? Your weapon package includes a mag booster.
So where do we go?
Software to isolate the warbot's armor. There. You should now be able to pick up warbots using the mag booster.
Okay, let's try this out.
Triangle. Alright.
Mag booster active.
There should be some warbots nearby.
Mag booster active.
There should
Oh,
be
so you know what I can do?
You can now pick
There's some people being attacked there, so I can hold this down, pick them all up. Okay, and I'll drop them off. There. So do I.
Locking on. Release warbots.
Oh, right. Oh, so I actually have to use the warbots to attack the defenses. That's fairly cool.
1 in a million. Let's do it again.
have enough power
There we
for
go.
a few more warbots if you make another pass.
There we go. So there's a bit more over here. Actually, no, I'll take them from the bigger part. From here. Triangle.
Now let's send it back to where they came from.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Okay, now we fly back to the big ship. Release. Done.
Warship down. We did it.
That was fairly cool. So obviously there was another cutscene blocked for the sake of copyright purposes, but we landed, we destroyed the ship, we landed, Quark had to invite us to the Rangers because he was put under pressure by like media people, reporters and stuff, and then he went back to the place where he was telling the cleaner his story of like his life, and the cleaner asked him to continue on, and right now we're here. And the reason why we're down at the ground is because one of the bad guys placed a bomb on the bottom of our ship.
Is that the holocard guy? Yeah, we know about him.
Mr. Zircon. This was probably one of the greatest things of all time. I'm gonna upgrade my upgrades. Want to see where the upgrades are. Combustor. Yeah. There we go. Now we only need to go downwards, and the other slots will obviously fill in when we get more weaponry. Whoa! I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna switch to the combustor. But either way, and we're currently like down here because we jumped off the platform to save ourselves from dying. Yeah, it's really hard to explain this game, but it's kind of like I can't really like visualize the cutscenes again, and I have fairly short-term memory loss, so yeah. That cleared up most of them anyway. Trespass required. I mean, yeah, one of these guys, the bigger guys, plays the bomb. Actually, can we just use something stronger like bam? Yeah. Well, that was actually better than like anything. So we still need to open that gate, and I'm pretty sure I'm meant to get this by overusing our bomb lobber. I really like this, by the way. Oh no, I'm almost dead. Is there any health pickups anyway? I seriously need some help. Or some health, I meant. I also need help, but that's a different story. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Come on, just get rid of him already. There we go. Now we only got 6 bullets left. We seriously need to buy some more gadgets for ourselves. Yeah, or this will happen. Like right now. Sorry, back to the very start now. No, we're literally here though. Time our shots. 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave me alone. Okay, bam, 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 bam. Oh, bam, bam, bam. Okay, there we go. That was fairly decent. And there's going to be an enemy popping up from this side, so be ready to cook them. Done. That wasn't as difficult as I thought. Now we got some health here. Any ammo? Nope. Oh, actually, yeah. We got some extra fire ammo. So,
Hey, Ratchet, are you at Nell's place yet?
Almost there.
grenade thrower. I can beat these dogs by
That must be Big Al's place.
I just realized how overpowered his wrench is. Okay, so we're on the edge of death right now. Did I just jump into the bullet? I seriously need to learn to live somehow without messing up, because this is my 3rd time and I really don't like this. So our combustors. Bam. Throw a fusion grenade there. Bam. That was perfect. Kill off these dog-like things. And throw another grenade there. Now quickly pick up the ammo. Oh right, I forgot that now that we're here, I really forgot how this game works. There we go. Cooked, and now this guy we're gonna shoot down. Yes, identified. Okay. Pick up this. Pick up this. Hit that.
Holy cow.
And this is not a proper cutscene. I am always scared to like comment over a cutscene because
They have my blaster runs hot. Bongo
if my like there'd be no point in me saying it and then
the mega limited ultra edition
Ooh.
of Intransigent's Fall of Blarg.
That one comes with exclusive content if you pre-ordered through Gadgetron. I take it you're the ones Cora called me about? The ones in need of a new helipack upgrade?
You must be Big Al.
ooh.
It is nice to
This is where we get our heli pack where we can hold X to float down.
Well, any friend of Cora's is a friend of mine. She and I kind of have a will we, won't we romance in progress.
Uh-huh.
Hop onto my workbench. I'll get you all squared away. Just reattaching the sister board, connecting the data port, and...
Okay, so this is still normal cutscene. Yes, so now we can use the floating ability.
Looking good, pal.
Getting back to the Hall of Heroes is easy. Just head this way until you find the Graph Train station. That'll take you...
But yeah, finishing off, like, I don't really want to waste my poor breath, like, so, because, you know, guys, my poor breath, like, I don't want to waste energy for, like, no reason. Is this extra damage? Yeah. And we'll get a combustor upgrade, which consists of extra ammo. So we just need 1, 2, 3, okay. 4 more.
Thanks again, Big Al.
There we go, now we're up here, can we?
Control forged ahead, using their helipack's enhanced jump capability.
Alright, that's so cool.
Before now, long
But
jumps
before we
impossible for heroes like myself.
oh yes. Well, we just got 3 raritonium that we would have walked past. I just realized how bad that name is, raritonium. Oh, that's cool. Up here now, health. No, we don't need health.
Found themselves at a perilous drop. Would their new helipack help them glide to safety?
Alright, we're meant to glide from here. That's so cool. There we go, destroy this guy. Now we're gonna clear up this place. Oh, I didn't see these guys, but I'm gonna go for a challenge. I don't really want to waste that much ammo, so... There we go. Oh, we got a new card pack. I really want to see. We just got Quark. Was that seriously it? Okay then. Let's just go up here. Is there no like sneaking ability? Because I'd really like that right now. Consider they're coming right there. Watch, guys. Watch and learn. This is how you Ratchet and Clank like a boss. Oh no. See? This is what I mean. This is how you Ratchet and Clank like a boss. You wouldn't have been able to do that if it wasn't for my excellent tutorials on how to Ratchet and Clank. We got more firepower. I seriously need to learn to use these controls a bit, because for some reason it's getting fairly difficult. I don't even know why it's difficult for me. Unless they purposely made this game like that. Yeah, I was meant to do something like that, I'm pretty sure. I can't really see my fusion pack right now. Sadly, I'm not in the best position to do so. Ooh. Plus 25% firepower, what? Was that firepower? I'm not sure. Okay guys, we're done that. We might actually complete this mission for once. That would be really great. Without doing another. Ride the train to the Hall of Heroes. Alright. We're not on the train yet, so I don't know what's telling us. Okay. I feel like as if I was doing a bit better than I was originally. Bam. Oh, I thought I had 56 ammo. I only have 26. That's not that much. We can just shoot that on this guy. And there we go. The voice crack is real. Another few.
Make sure that doesn't happen.
Oh, I should have seriously used my combustor for that. Or I could have just used one bomb. That would have also worked. Lob shot. That was perfect. Another lob shot. Oh! Why isn't he dead yet? Okay guys, so now we can swing along. Oh, dogs, yes, perfect. There we go. Deactivate the shield. This thing can just roll off as we do.
I hope that didn't cost too much.
I'm scared of that fish a bit.
I'm sure there's a very good reason for transporting killer fish.
Not really, I'm just trying to make my commentating a bit more entertaining. And I really don't want to know why there's an octopus being carried out here. Yeah, I really don't. So am I meant to like psych them or something? Yeah. Ooh. And we got it. Okay, now we can open both card packs. So here we go. There's one card pack. And oh right, we opened both like that. Oh, so each card pack only has one card. That's fairly bad. I don't like that. I wouldn't mind getting a few more cards, more than like 2. Of course, the helicopter. Done. Our thing is low on ammo, so guess we should just, as soon as I say that. Okay, first of all we better get rid of the guy on the right, because he's getting fairly annoying. Done. There's only one helicopter left now. There we go, leveled up. 36% damage. Or is that... yeah, that's damage, I'm pretty sure. So we're leaving that behind, and that was a bomb.
This is awesome. So what next? Halo jump into enemy territory? Suborbital combat training?
In time, rookie. Next up is basic training. The captain designed this fitness course to help us reach our top physical condition.
Ooh. So we missed the cutscene where they saw us save the thing, and now they are giving us a little mission to do, which is of course... wait, what about all this? Do I just ignore the fact that there's all this here behind me? For sure that's what I was meant to do. Okay, let's just forget about that then. We're gonna do our whole training. So basically these guys found us the Galactic Defenders, or I don't know what the name of them is exactly, but they gave us a suit, and now we are going through our training. So hit. I thought we're actually meant to hit it. Okay. It's actually not that difficult.
Congratulations on reaching the summit of justice. Your quadriceps must be burning with righteousness and fame.
Ooh, so we're meant to swing over. Oh, why? Why?
Congratulations on reaching the summit of justice. Your quadriceps must be burning with righteousness and fame.
Okay, now it grabbed on. The first time I started shooting, the second I pressed it. I don't like that. Here we gotta... ooh, these are fun. Okay, doing good so far. Then there's gonna be another wall here. We did our second part. That was our second part, and let me guess, this is the third part. Or is that it? No, that's it. That's actually it. So refresh some ammo. Go back up here. And we get our first gold bolt. What does it give us? Okay. So card collection first of all, because we got a card, of course. Novelist Valley. But we go into extras, appearance settings, Victor Von cool, but I really don't want to complete or play the game like that, so I'm gonna stick with yeah, I'm gonna just stick with this because I want to actually complete the game as Ratchet.
I see you just finished my training course. Aren't you just full of stuff you can do? Meet me outside the Hall of Heroes. I have an assignment for you.
Okay guys, so we're just gonna go down to Quark here. So I'm pretty sure we're going a bit over time. I'm gonna end this video here, or let's just let this cutscene play first.
A Class G Star Jumper? Is this for me?
Technically, it's Galactic Ranger property, but if you survive, complete this super secret yet completely on the level mission, she'll be yours to use however you like.
What is this secret mission?
I call it Operation Falling Star. Congratulations, Cadet. You've been selected for Operation Falling Star. Galactic Ranger Intel tells us Chairman Drek has a state-of-the-art weapons lab in Nebula G-34. Your mission is to destroy his top-secret project without, and this is important, telling anyone. Ever. Seriously, this is our little secret.
Sure, but I don't see why...
Please save your questions until the end of the presentation. You'll need to access Drek's laboratory using a trespasser, your wits, and the kind of fortitude normally found in more seasoned Rangers. Get in, destroy whatever he's working on, and get out. I'll monitor your position from here. Good luck. I wish I could be there to see you off, but I have an urgent appointment with my acupuncturist. Call me when you're
Okay, now that the cutscene's finished, and
counting on you, Ratchet.
You got it, Captain.
that's it, yeah? Alright, so this is where we're going to finish the video. Did we get any new gadgets? No, we have 7 raritonium. So we're gonna go into here and... Ooh. I know. Boga plasma. Combustor ammo stored in ammo crates. Comes with twice as many shots. Ooh. That's nice. Now we get this, and we're gonna probably just branch out a bit more. But yeah, so that's our combustor now. It's probably the exact same, but it has 62 ammo now, so now we can just spam as much as we want. So that's great. Anyways, we're gonna finish the video here, so just get into an outro pose. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you all again next time. Goodbye.